This video is about Mactan Night Food Market. We are here right now in the City Hall grounds of Lapu-Lapu City, Cebu. And this is where they held their weekend kasadya sa Lapu-Lapu, which means it's so jolly here in Lapu-Lapu City. So this is quite a food park. It opens Friday, Saturday, Sunday only, and it's held on the Lapu-Lapu City Hall area. So you can see the Lapu-Lapu City Hall, and it's open until midnight. So there's this is the two buses that the Mactan Artist Guild was telling me that they have painted and decorated. So these are the members of the Mactan Artist Guild.
Alright, that's the set for our guest for tonight, Miss.
So they have a singing contest around here.
A round of applause, please.
So all you have to do is to look for a place to sit down, and then you can choose the food that you want to eat. So here's the overload milkshakes. That's the yellow smoothies. Doher's pizza. And another food thingy. Frozen Avenue. Sisig and beverages. I'll just turn it off now because the music is on. I'll continue when it stops. So continuing on our tour here, you got a Smooch Cafe and Bar. Then the Pongko Pongko. Price list of the Pongko Pongko. Dinuguan ni Bongot. So like blood stew. Then the Lomi Bok Choy things. Korean kitchen. Opa's special Korean food. And this is the seashore squid. Tagpilang squid, madam?
Tag 140, ma'am.
140 for that fried squid.
Ang saka siya ma'am, tag 25 ang usa din 5 by 5.
So that's 5 for 1. 100 gani?
Oo, ma'am.
5. So there's the fried squid. That's what they, and they also have like different. Sige, tawag ni Muga. So they got crab stick. They got this tofu and squid balls. So here another mango shakes. No. Then barbecue, of course. And then lechong manok. 1/2 is 120. So we go on the other side. They have a singing contest ongoing right now. That's the Halo Halo.
Yes, ma'am.
And the sports complex is also open. So there's burger bar. ginabot sa bayot. So like fried intestines, garlic bread, carbonara. So that's about pastas. Mangoes. Then this is the fried stuff.
Ang laking away-uyab.
So this is the food that we're having. Susan, Josie.
Let's welcome back our
Oy, upaw.
Yes, so learn na ate mo jump.
natin jumper. Langga.
Ay, tropa mo.
Ayun.
So he actually slept whole afternoon to be able to come with us because last time at this Cebu night market, Josie was not able to come. So this is we have chicken, lumpia, spring rolls is famous here in Lapu-Lapu City, the lumpia ni Sinyang. Eileen again,
Brad.
and Janica.
Ganito, Brad.
The same people that we are
Tropa.
going together last Cebu night market. So we are right now here in Mactan, and they have a singing contest right now for the diners.
Tigasan ka po. Microphone po. Tigasan ka. Tigasan ka.
Tagasaan pala. Hindi, tigasan ka.
So what we're having is the famous spring roll maker here in Opon. This is the lumpia ni Sinyang, and we have a whole roast chicken. We're about 7 people, including Josie, eating here. Susan and Josie. Whoop, long, no? Josie is in his milkshake. Then Jay, Sandra, Eileen, and Janica.
Tagaliin man si Jen.
So we are enjoying our meal here. It's just nice to take them out once in a while to take on places because like Susan and Eileen and even the children don't reach this kind of places if not for me.
Nakayuyab wala. Oh, pakanta na diha, no? Kanta na.
Hey guys, I hope you like the song. The song title will be
So continuing on our food trips here, this is the lumpia ni Sinyang, one famous spring roll here in Opon. I even featured this in one of my videos, but I think I'll have to go back again. But this is quite nice, especially the special lumpia spring roll. That's 35 pesos each. You can see they're displaying their article about it. Then there's Needs Lechon. Lechon is now 700 pesos per kilo. And then Jack's Sweets and Cakes. And they have the Pares on Sababag. I haven't tried all this Pares kind of food. I'll try them one day.
And of course,
And Ludivina's Veggies Lumpia Spring Rolls.
Lapu-Lapu singing idol. Focus na yung mga friends.
Then the chicken patter and the beef patter. This is what a patter is.
Ano na kita yung audition para sa kasadya sa Lapu-Lapu singing idol every Friday.
Thank you.
Maybe mag-start next week.
Then you go here.
Depende pa sa-
Thank you. Lechon belly and fried stuff.
Next round will be every
Banana.
Friday, and our last Friday-
Oh, crepe.
our
Mango crepe, banana crepe.
end of the month.
So they also sell cakes here. This is
Of the month.
Glendoy's Lechon belly.
Okay, so
Loo Caltex Roads, Lapu-Lapu City. That's their contact number if you wanna try their offerings here, their food that they offer. And this is the tuna panga special. Of course, it's barbecue. You got pork, tuna panga, pork, even chicken barbecue. Now here, this is tea, milk tea. Milk tea are everywhere. Here you got the fruit shake. Look, it's a very cute kiosk in a bicycle. Cool kay mong shop, ma'am. So, there's the shop on a tricycle, shaped like that. She can go anywhere selling the stuff. Then you got here, the latest craze that we have here for the youngster is the potato twister. So the potato, like the ones I got at home, are cut like this, like a twister, and sells for 50 pesos per stick. And that's the flavorings. Spicy cheese, barbecue, sour cream, and salt. 50 pesos matanan mo. Yes, yeah. So this is how they fry it. And this is the beverage station. I bought some mineral water there. Now I'm gonna have to go. They still have their singing contest, and I want to see what's inside this bus because this is painted by the Mactan Artist Guild. They told me to have a look at the bus when I interviewed them, doing the signs on the walls welcoming to Lapu-Lapu City. Ablihi ko no gang. Abi. Oh. So there's Janica doing the TikTok. So this is here how it looks like outside. That's the Lapu-Lapu City Hall, and this is the painted bus from Mactan Artist Guild. I love Lapu-Lapu. So the fountain is lit up at night, and they are now all decorated for Christmas. This is the second bus that is painted by the Mactan Artist Guild, as mentioned by the chairman of the guild. So this is the bus, and this is the place right beside the City Hall of Lapu-Lapu City. That's the Lapu-Lapu City Hall, and this is again open Friday, Saturday, and Sunday night until midnight. Starts at 5 o'clock in the afternoon to midnight. So that's the other decorative bus painted by the Mactan Artist Guild. So if you are here in Mactan, if you're visiting Cebu, this is one event that you can visit and feel the Filipino atmosphere, the Filipino culture of how they dine in with the people. Everyone's friendly here. You can drink, you can enjoy all the Filipino food and the other offerings that they have here. So again, let's go around quickly of what's around here in Casadia sa Lapu-Lapu City.
Okay, next.
You got shakes, pizza, milk teas.
Dali. Sir, di ba ikaw ang kanta?
So the Dohor's pizza.
Oy, welcome guys.
Hello. And here you got a sisig, French fries, empanada, and tempura, all different food. They got lamao, it's a rice topping, and the drinks area.
And of course, mga friends from Quezado, Mactan.
Frozen Avenue, halo-halo, and this is the takoyaki. Tutu's takoyaki. Hello.
Okay, next. Pabalibol mo.
So 25 each. This is the pork sisig. 9 starts from 79 pesos up to 169 for 3. Drink cellar, beer and beverages, and these are the prices now of the beer. Red Horse Jumbo for 150 pesos. San Miguel Beer Grande is 150 pesos. Red Horse 50 ml is now 80 pesos. San Miguel Light is 70. San Miguel Pilsen is 70 pesos. It's still cheap then considering what you're gonna pay if you're in a bar or in a pub. So here, French fries, quack quack, siomai, it's all the Philippine street food. French fries has now been adopted as a Philippine street food. Smooch, Cappy and Bar, milk tea, and this one is the blood stew, dinuguan, and the noodle one, lomi boss. It's right in the corner, so that's why it's not noticeable in this one. This one is the Oppa special Korean food. So this Kasadya sa Lapu-Lapu will be on starting last week of August, and now it's until the end of the holiday season, which is New Year. I'm just inside the Lapu-Lapu City Sports Complex. I know that it's not been cleaned up yet with all the ballot boxes and still there because elections is just finished, and this is also they're doing their vaccination still around here.